Good morning, everybody. It is Randy on location, starting our newest series on Seabreeze, how to measure, how to build, how to install. Of course, today we're going to be out here in a beautiful subdivision measuring, and we're going to show you how to do that. KingofSolarScreensOfCourse.com, MyScreenKit.net across this beautiful country. So without any further ado, I'm going to switch. And there we go. So as you can see, this window here already has that Seabreeze pattern. And what do I mean by that is it's a single bar up and down. And although the bush is hiding it, there's another bar much like up here down below. Hence the name Seabreeze in lieu of Colonial. And I love that. As you can see, that's also the same thing that's up inside the eaves and the four windows here in the front. This is beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk all the way to the left. We're going to use this window for reference. Now, one thing I'm going to quickly point out is that this style of window has an inside channel so that you can put your frames in there nice and tight. They'll tuck inside this little area, which I love because I can almost guarantee that I don't care how hard those winds come, it's not going anywhere. So here's what we're going to do. Seabreeze. We're going to go dead center, 4 3/4 on that bar. Why is that important? If you're going to use a reputable screen company to build for you, they'll always ask you for center marks on crossbars. And you're going to find that that's going to be the exact same on the left, as well as the right, as well as the other bar. The vertical ones. No, those would be horizontal. And again, always measure to the center. And these are almost always between 4 and 6 inches. So that gives you a really good place to start, if you will. And you'll know that if anything is less or more than that, double check your measurement. And again, if you're using a reputable screen company to manufacture these, whether it's, of course, us here in the Houston market, it doesn't matter where you're at in this country. One thing is true, and it's universal, that we all use your numbers to the dead center when it comes to grid work, whether it's the Colonial grid or this Seabreeze style. Gosh, these are so beautiful. Absolutely love it. And what I'm going to do also is I'm going to flip my camera around. And the reason I'm going to do that is they did across the street that Seabreeze as well. Absolutely gorgeous. That's, of course, that 90% solar screen, 1-inch white frame. We did not do that, but as beautiful as those look, as well as their next door neighbor, oh, I guarantee that's made in America goodies right there. So that's something to get excited about. That easy. Hopefully I touched everything that needed to be touched as far as measuring. If not, please chime in, ask questions, send me an email. Hey, like us, subscribe to us. My next video, of course, is us doing a build for this order, and then, of course, the measure or the install. Oh yeah, I love that part. So, well, let me get my climbing shoes on and go for a walk. You guys be blessed.